Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix download pending in App Store. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. It can be pretty much annoying when the App Store stops working or it shows a pending download error while trying to downloading an application. So, the first thing to do is to make sure to restart your iPhone. Simply restart your iPhone, and once you restart your iPhone, go and tap Open App Store and see if that fixes the pending download error by downloading an application. If that works, then your problem has been resolved. If not, try updating your operating system. Go and tap Open Settings from your iPhone, and from the Settings menu, tap on General. Tap Software Update button at the top and check for updates for your iPhone. If there is an update available, tap on Download and Install button at the bottom. Now, once you've updated your software, open up App Store and download an application to see if that fixes the issue. If you're trying to download a game that takes a lot of spaces, then you might not have enough space on your phone. So, open up Settings on your iPhone again and scroll down and tap General. Tap on About from the General tab and check how much storage you've left on your device. Delete some of the application you no longer use and make sure to clear out some of your storage space. Go back to your App Store, select the application you are trying to download and get it downloaded on your iPhone. Those were some of the fixes you could try whenever you're going through download pending error on App Store. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.